Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this wig that I have installed. This wig is from Wiggins hair. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box for you guys. This wig is classified as a chestnut. When I got this wig and I opened it up, I was a bit surprised because I don't think so. Is it giving chestnut at all? I'm gonna pull up the website just to show you guys because it's a bit confusing. Like, that's the picture there. So when I saw this picture, I thought, okay, this wig is so cute. Again, another picture. This is blonde. This is number 27 Beyonce blonde colored wig. Now that we've gotten over the fact that this is not a chestnut colored wig and this is a 27 color wig, this is cute. Also, I did not bleach the knots on this unit. I did not wash this unit, but it is giving frizzy. I tried to crimp it and it didn't want to take to my crimping, so I decided to one curl it, but the curls are starting to drop. Seems like it went through a lot to get to this color, and it's just not really like, it's just dry. Like, she's just dry, you know? There's a lot of hair in here, 200%, and I tried to, you know, curl each section, but I realized that that was gonna take me all day long, so we decided not to do that. It looks cute, but it's definitely gonna be one of those high maintenance wigs. This is something that you might be interested in. You can find the link in the description box for this company. I like the color, but again, it's not chestnut, and it is looking very dry, but the density is really good, and the hair does feel relatively soft. My final thoughts on this unit, it's all right. It's not something that I'm in love with, but this might be for somebody else. Personally, for me, it's not one of my favorites. So I'm just gonna leave it there for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, informative, leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. If you have any questions for me, or leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss out on any future uploads. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.